Lithium-ion batteries are a type of batteries that commonly used in electric vehicles. We will discuss different types of batteries used in an electric vehicle in detail in another video. Here is a list of the top lithium-ion battery manufacturers in India. These are the companies that have either started manufacturing or plans to manufacture lithium-ion batteries. Number 1. Automotive Electronics Power Private Limited. It has set up India's first lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant in Gujarat, TDSG. It is being set up jointly between Toshiba Corporation, Denso Corporation and Suzuki Motor Corporation to manufacture and supply lithium-ion battery to Maruti Suzuki and Suzuki Motor Gujarat. Number 2. Mora Lithium-Ion Manufacturers. The Noida-based company manufactures lithium-ion battery for various applications. The company was established in 1998. It manufactures and sells wide range of lithium-ion battery pack, laptop batteries, power bank, lithium-ion cylindrical cell, PSU and protection PCB for lithium-ion batteries. Number 3. Amararaja Batteries Limited. Amararaja Batteries Limited is one of the largest manufacturers of lead-acid batteries for both industrial and automotive applications in Indian storage battery industry. ARBL has prestigious original equipment manufacturers like Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Hyundai Motors India Limited, Ford India Limited, Tata Motors Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Honda Cars India Limited, Renault Nissan, Honda Motorcycles and Scooters India Private Limited, Royal Enfield, Bajaj Auto Limited, and many more as its clients. The company's industrial and automotive batteries are exported to 32 countries across the globe. Number 4. Future High-Tech Batteries. It manufactures batteries for electric vehicles, solar systems, other energy storage systems, telecom towers, etc. Future High-Tech Batteries was established in 1998. It is located in SAS Nagar, Mohali, India. Its main products are solar streetlight battery, electric vehicle lithium-ion battery, powerhouse, telecom battery module, ESS modules and racks. Number 5. Sukam Power Systems Limited. Sukam Power Systems is India's largest power solution company that has a presence in more than 90 countries. Number 6. Exide. Exide also produces a lithium-ion battery that has high energy storage capacity per unit volume. Across the globe, Exide batteries power cars, boats, heavy-duty vehicles, golf carts, power sports and lawn or garden applications. Number 7. Luminous. Luminous India is another lithium-ion battery manufacturer in India. It mainly focuses on home UPS systems. Number 8. Base Batteries. The Bengaluru-based company manufactures the batteries for automotive industry and home use. It promises to provide products with ultimate dependability, extreme durability and terrific power at competitive prices. Number 9. HBL Power Systems. HBL Power Systems is a manufacturer of the batteries for power utility industry, defense systems, railways, aviation, telecom, etc. The company was established in 1977 with a focus of engineering products in India. Number 10. Okaya Power. Okaya manufactures battery for e-rickshaws, solar systems, etc. Okaya claims that it is the sole manufacturer of 100% tubular battery in India. Okaya Power Group has emerged as a powerful leader in the Indian battery manufacturing industry, creating an everlasting impression in the market. Number 11. Southern Batteries Private Limited. The company that established in 1980 is a leading battery manufacturer in India. It manufactures a wide range of batteries. Southern Batteries has established a prominent share in the solar, railways, telecommunications, UPS and inverters, power plant and other industrial applications. Number 12. True Power Systems. True Power Systems is another leading battery manufacturer in India. It is one of the companies that focus on backup power and solar energy solutions. Number 13. LiveGuard. LiveGuard produces batteries for automotive systems, solar systems, etc. It manufactures batteries for e-rickshaws in India. The list of the lithium-ion battery manufacturers does not end here. The following are the companies planned to set up battery manufacturing stations in India: Tata Chemicals, Adani Group, and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Do you think that another company is also to be included in this list? Please comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I publish another video.